So I'm here today to talk about the new Hipstar Glide from Terfelberger. We all know the original Hipstar Flex, and I'm here to tell you about some of the differences and some of the upgrades that we have. The first thing you'll notice is the colour. It's the same quality of rope. It will give you the same strength and security in the tree. The blue colour should be a little bit easier to see amongst the canopy and amongst the branches. With the Hipstar Glide, we have an addition of an extra knot that you can choose from to tie for personal preference. You need to make sure that the length of cordage that you use for the knot is compatible for how many wraps you have, and all of this information is contained in the user instructions. You can have the catalyst, you can have a distal, you can have a Michiacan, and you can have a VT, Valdetane Tress. They're the 4 knots that are certified within the components that you can use. One of the biggest differences with the Hipstar Glide is that now we have the Glide hitch pulley introduced. The main benefit of this pulley over previous versions is that because the attachment point is on the top, it's easier to locate when you're in the tree. You can clip straight into it. For easy adjustment, if you want to use it in a double rope configuration for work positioning in the tree. The Glide also comes supplied with a thimble that you can attach to the line to aid for work positioning. Can be used with the other end of the rope. It can also be used above the hitch cord so that you can clip back into with this carabiner to help with your work positioning options when you're working in the tree. Another feature with the Hipstar Glide is that it is now certified to be used in a rescue position. So we could put this as a cambium saver, a force anchor, a position within the tree that you could put your ropes through, and it is certified to carry a 2-person load. So it's a really good option in a rescue scenario.